My name is Sandra Muhammad Uwas. Welcome to the final part. Hopefully it gets uploaded. I'm gonna speed run this a little quicker. Um, you see the equation we have is teaching demo. Consider the function RT below. This function models the daily rate of new cases of Ebola viruses day after introduction. New cases of Ebola viruses 2 days after introduction in the community. So essentially the function models the daily rate of new cases of the virus. So that's the equation is capital RT equals 3,308 over 441 plus 4 multiply T over 45 over 2. So we have that. So the first things first, let me go on a new page. Copy. And then we do paste. Okay. Oh shoot, that was too big. That's fine. All right. And then we have that. So we take the function and then we use it to find rectangles. So rectangles from, let's see, for the first one is T20. So it's be T, this to 0 to T. It says it's for 80, so we'll do it for the 80. All right, and then, so we know that each width is roughly, is 5-ish, so the width is 5, is the width. So then it will go up, in each segment will go up by 5, so it will be, so the right endpoints would each go by increments of 5, so it'll be T5, or sorry, the delta change and all these ones. So I'm gonna go a little faster. So it'll go increments of 10. So 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, and this will go on etc. to 80, 40, 45, 50. Sorry for the bad handwriting. 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, and 80. All right. So we have that. So now we have to find the height of each triangle. So the height will be, if you go back to the thing, it will be roughly around, delete that. So do the calculations, and it would be roughly around, all right, for the points. So after calculating it in, you would get, so after finding from the height of the graph, you would get roughly, let's see, so for the graph, I'm repeating myself. So let me go on next page. So for the delta of 5, the height from the graph would be 0.48. All right, 0.484, and then that's for 10, and then for 10, plug in the same equation, but from the same graph, it would be 0.6194, and then and this will keep going on. It's all based on the graph. Equations. Okay, and then so our 20 would be 1.1248, and then that should be it for the 21. So the 20 would be, so T20 would be this equation. So you take delta T and you go R5 plus R10 plus R15 and then you get R20 plus R20. Alright, so that's R20, in case you're wondering. So then you would add them all up, so that'd be 5, or you add them all up. So you basically plug in these numbers. Oh, other way around. And you get 3 point, so you add up to 5 plus 10 plus 15 plus 20, and you get 5 would equal, 3.0464, which then would equal 15.232. Okay, so that's for T20. T20. Alright, so now for what else? Let me go back a bit. So it was for T20, 240, 260. Okay. So then you just continue doing this. So you get the height. So what was it? From 20, we had that. So if we continued, alright, so T25. So you get all the ones from 20, from 5 to 40. So I already have, so then we have 25, so that'll be equal to 1.608. Then we have T30, which will then equal to 2.40, sorry, 2.405. 05. Yes, 05. Alright, and then that'll be T35, which would then be, oh sorry, not T, R. Sorry, what are my labels? So that'll be 3.9333. And then that'll be R40, which would then equal to 6.115. And then R45 and then equal to 7.501. And R50 would then equal to 25, 35, 30, 50 would just be equal to 6.11. No, sorry, we already did that one. Where am I jumping to? Yeah, 6.11. 6.115. And then you'd get R55. This is all from the graph. 3.933. You get R60, which then equals to 2.448, which would then R65 would then equal to 1.60, 1.208. Sorry about that. So that'll be R70 and equal to 1.1248. And then R75 would then equal to 0.819. And then R80 would equal to 0.619. Okay. now that we have everything for the t's, let me just go oh, sorry about that. So we go T40 would then equal to, so you take delta T and you would substitute in all the 5. So I'm just gonna go ahead and do it. So I'm just gonna use the for my thing, I'm just gonna use the numbers, like, so the R5 plus R10 plus R15, etc. 20. So we already know from this, and then you just keep going on. So plus 20, then you go plus 25, R25 plus R30 plus R35 plus R40, R35 plus R30, 40, sorry, my mistake. And then you would add them all up. And this, while also multiplying it by the height, which is also 5, because this guy is 5. And then you would get, if you would, so all I'm going to do is to make it quicker, I'm just going to do it in the calculator, but for those of you who are wondering, I'm just substituting in for all the height values. Because all the width are the same, so I can just put the 5 outside, and now I just need to put all the height values. And if you plug it all in, actually we have time. I'll write it down for you guys. So that'll be so that'll be 5. Zoom in a little bit just to make it easier for myself. Alright, so that'll be R5. So the first one will be 0.05. So that'll be, let's see here, 0.484 plus, let's see here, 0.0194 plus 0.818. All right. 6 plus 1.1248 plus 1.6208 plus 2.4668. I'm just going to go through all of these here because I don't have enough room. So it's going to go 3.933. Again, I'm just substituting in the values. Plus 6.115. There we go. All right. And you multiply all together, put it in a calculator. And you get 517.182, which would then equal to 85.91. So that is the answer for 40. So for T40, we got 85.91. All right, now, and since we already did all the height values, we just have to plug it in for the S one. So for T60, because that's the next, oh, sorry about that. Sorry for my camera holding skills. So that'll be T60 would equal to, I'm just gonna, you guys get the point of it, so I'm just gonna plug in the numbers. Again, I'm just plugging in the height values. So essentially that will be, if you just wanna, let's see, so for the plugin, so we already know that from 40 is gonna be 85 point, sorry, where is it? 91, so 85.91. So he's gonna add it to the 20 or 45, which is, like here, or 45 is 7.0501. All right, so it's gonna be plus 45, which would be 7.501 plus 6.115 plus, oh, I didn't have enough room, so I'm just gonna go over here. 3.933 plus 2.466 668. All right, and that's it. So you would plug them all in. Oh, sorry. You add the 5. My mistake. So that'll be 5. You plug that all in. That'll be 5. So, oh, sorry. So you would then take out. All right. So a quick, easy way would be if you do 5 of 20.015. So this is just for these guys. So what I did was, let me just, I wrote it confusingly, I'm sorry. So, 5, no, sorry. So it'll be 85.91 times plus 5 times all these guys. That way we just made it easier for ourselves. So then that'll be plus 85.91, which will then get you to, so the T60 would be 185.989. All right. So then you have T80. So I'm just going to do the same thing, which would then equal to 185.989 plus 5. And then you would get, so you just substitute values, that's for the values. So that would essentially be 45 through 60. So 45 is, let's see here, 45, sorry, not 45, 60. 65 through 80. So 65 would be 1.6208. There we go. So I just gotta make sure. Yes. No, 65 would be 1.60. Oh, so, yeah, 1.6028. This is why you catch your 6. Yeah, all right, that's what I put. I'm just going crazy. All right, 1.6028 plus 1.1248 plus 0.8186 plus 0.0194. All right, and then you just add them all up. So that'll be 185.989 plus 5, 4.1836, which is then equal to, so T of 80 would equal to 2, so you plug it in a calculator, so let me just do that real quick. You would get 206.907. All right. So this is our answer for 80. This is our answer for 60. Answer for 40, which will be this. And our answer for 20. So just a quick recap. Oh, sorry about that too fast. So this is 20. This is 40. This is 60 and 80. All I did was just, I shortened the substitution because I just took this and I just added all the ones that we didn't have. And then from that, we got this one. So then we're on to number 2. And number 2 just states, sorry, let me go back here. What's it say? So it's just going to tell us, interpret the results of your computation using the context of the spread of the Ebola virus. So we've seen that from the time period, right? So from that it was the highest from 40 to 60 was the highest. From 20, 40, it was rising, and then hit the maximum. So the most it ever had. So if we did this, let me go over here to the latest. All right, so for number 2, so the T20, so after 20 days, it represents the total number of cases. Total number of cases. And that's the same for all of them. And And I had this divided, yeah. So it's literally in 20 days they had, what was it? 20 days they had 15.232 cases. So we say 15.232 cases. T40, T60, I'm just going to write it down to just make it easier. T80. So in the context of Ebola virus, so this after 40 days, after 60 days, and after 80 days, they had that many things. So see, if you go the number route, crunch the numbers a little bit. All right, so for 40, if we look back on our work, okay, if you look back on 40, it should be 85.91, 85.91, 185.9198, 185.989 for 60 days, and then after the 200 days, 206.907. All right, and that's it for number 2, and that's all it is. So thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.